Good morning student. Today I will teach you class 8 chapter 18 pollution of air and water. हवा और पानी का प्रदूषण. Paheli and Buju were very excited to know that Taj Mahal in Agra is one of the 7 wonders of the world. जो आगरे का ताजमहल है वह संसार का 7वां अजूबा. But they were disappointed to hear that the beauty of this monument in white marble, इसमें वाइट मार्बल का उपयोग किया गया है इसकी सुंदरता को बढ़ाने के लिए, इज बीइंग थ्रीटन्ड बाय एयर पोल्यूशन, किंतु आजकल एयर पोल्यूशन इसको इफेक्ट कर रहा है. इन द एरिया सराउंडिंग द ताज दे वर ईगर टू नो इफ समथिंग कैन बी डन टू कंट्रोल द एयर एंड वाटर पोल्यूशन. We are all aware that our environment is not that it used to be. Our elders talk about the clean water and fresh air that was ever in their time. Now the media regularly reports on the falling quality of the environment. We ourselves feel the impact of the falling quality of air and water in our lives. The number of people suffering from disease of the respiratory, इससे बहुत सारी बीमारियां होती हैं. श्वसन की बीमारी होती है, इसमें सांस नहीं ले पाते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इज स्टेटली राइजिंग. बी शूडर टू इमेज अ टाइम व्हेन क्लीन एयर एंड वाटर मे टू लॉन्गर बी अवेलेबल. यू हैव लर्न अबाउट द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ एयर एंड वाटर. आप पानी और हवा के महत्व को समझते ही होंगे. बट इन योर प्रीवियस क्लास इन दिस चैप्टर, पहली क्लास में आपने पढ़ा होगा इसके बारे में. वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द हार्मफुल चेंजिंग टेकिंग प्लेस इन आवर सराउंडिंग एंड द इफेक्ट ऑन आवर लिव्स, हमारी लाइफ पे इसका इफेक्ट पड़ता है. एयर पॉल्यूशन. वी कैन सर्वाइव फॉर सम टाइम विदाउट फूड बट द कैन नॉट सर्वाइव इवन फॉर अ फ्यू मिनट्स विदाउट एयर. आप भोजन के बिना तो कुछ समय तक जिंदा रह सकते हैं किंतु हवा के बिना नहीं रह सकते हो. दिस सिंपल फैक्ट टेल्स us how important clean air is to us. You already know that air consists of mixed gas. Why volume about 70%, the mixture in nitrogen and about 21 is oxygen. जो हमारे environment में उसमें 21% ऑक्सीजन है, 17% नाइट्रोजन. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, ऑर्गन, मेथन, ओजोन एंड वाटर वेपर आर आल्सो प्रेजेंट इन वेरी स्मॉल क्वांटिटीज में ये पाई जाती हैं. One of your observation in the above activity could be the difference in the amount of smoke in the atmosphere. Do you know where the smoke could have some from addition of such substance to the atmosphere modifies when air is contaminated by unwanted substance which have a harmful effect on both the living and the non-living. It is referred to as air pollution. How does air get polluted? The substance which contaminate the air are called air pollutants. Sometimes such substance may come from natural source like smoke and dust arising from forest fire or volcanic eruptions. Pollutants are also added to the atmosphere by certain human activity. The source of air pollution are factories, power plant, automobiles, exhaust and burning of फायरवुड एंड डंक्स केक. जो आज प्रदूषण हो रहा है वो डंक केक्स का उपयोग करते लकड़ी को जलाना और अदर जो फैक्ट्री के प्रोडक्ट है. मैनी रेस्पिरेटरी प्रॉब्लम आर कॉज्ड बाय एयर प्रॉब्लम. लेट अस नाउ ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट ऑफ द सब्सटेंस ऑफ पोल्यूटेंट which are present in the polluted air. Have you noticed how rapidly the number of vehicles is increasing in our city? Vehicles product high level of pollution and carbon मोनोऑक्साइड निकलता है. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड एंड स्मोक. कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड इज प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम इनकम्प्लीट बर्निंग होता है और फ्यूल विच इज पेट्रोल एंड डीजल में होता है. इट इज़ अ पॉइजनस गैस, या एक जहरीली गैस है. इट रिडक्ट द ऑक्सीजन कैरिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ द ब्लड. Bujo remember seeing a thick fog likely layer in the atmosphere, especially during winter. This is smog which is made up of smoke and Fog. Smoke may contain oxide of nitrogen which combined with other air pollutant and fog form smoke. The smoke causes breathing difficulties such asthma, cough, and wheezing in children. Many industries are also responsible for causing of pollution. Petroleum refineries are a major source of gases pollutant like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is produced by combustion of fuels like coal in power plant and can cause respi- respiratory problems including permanent lungs damage. You have already studied about the burning of fossil fuel in chapter 5 में इसके बारे में आपने पढ़ा है. Other kind of pollutant are chlorofluorocarbon which are used in refrigerator, air conditioner and aerosol sprays. Chlorofluorocarbon damage the ozone layer of the atmosphere. Recall that the ozone layer protects us from harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. जो ओजोन होती है वह डायरेक्ट सूर्य से आने वाली अल्ट्रावायलेट किरणों को रोकती है. हैव यू हियर्ड ऑफ द ओजोन होल? ट्राई टू फाइंड आवर अबाउट इज थैंकफुल लेस हार्मफुल केमिकल्स आर नाउ बीइंग यूज्ड इन प्लेस ऑफ कार्बन chlorofluorocarbon. In addition to the above mentioned gases, automobile which burn diesel and petrol also produce tiny particles which remain suspended in air for long periods. The reduced visibility when inhaled they cause disease. Such particles are also produced during industry process like steel making and mining. Power plant give out tiny ash particles which also pollute the atmosphere caused by studies in Taj Mahal. Over the past 2 decades, India's most famous tourist attraction Taj Mahal, located in Agra, has become a matter of concern. Experts have warned that pollutant in air discoloring in white marble यानी कि वाइट मार्बल का जो कलर लैस हो रहा है उसका मेन रीजन है वो पॉल्यूशन है. नॉट ओनली लिविंग organisms that get affected by pollute air but non-living things. The building, monument and streets also get affected. The industry located in and around Agra like rubber processing, automobile, chemical and especially the Mathura oil refinery have been responsible for producing pollutants like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. These gases react with the water vapor present in the atmosphere to form sulfuric acid and nitric acid. The acid drop down with rain making the rain acid. This is called acid rain. Acid rain corrodes the marble of the monument. The phenomenon is also called marble cancer. Suspended particulate matter such as the soot particles emitted by Mathura oil refinery has contributed toward the alloying of marble. The Supreme Court has taken several steps to save the Taj. It has ordered industry to switch to cleaner fuels like CNG, compressed natural gas and LPG, liquid petroleum gas. Moreover, the automobile should switch over to unleaded petrol in the Taj. John, discuss with your elder and see what they have to say about the condition of the Taj. 20 to 30 years ago, try to procure a picture of Taj Mahal for your scrapbook. Greenhouse effect. You know that the sunlight warms the earth's surface. A part of the radiation that falls of the earth is absorbed by it, and a part is reflected back into space. A part of the reflected radiation is trapped by the atmosphere. The trapped radiation further warms the earth. If you have seen a greenhouse is a nursery of elsewhere, recall that the sun heads is allowed to get in but is not allowed to go out. The trapped heat warms the greenhouse. The trapping of radiation by the Earth's atmosphere is similar. That is why इट इज़ कॉल्ड द ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट कहलाता है। विदाउट दिस प्रोसेस लाइफ वुड नॉट हैव बीन पॉसिबल ऑफ द अर्थ। ग्रीन हाउस के बगैर अर्थ पर लाइफ इम्पॉसिबल है। वट नाउ इज थ्रीटन लाइफ एक्सेस ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन द एयर इज वन ऑफ द गैसेज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस इफेक्ट के लिए। यू नो दैट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज none of the complete of where you have also studied. Chapter is finished. Thank you all of you.